Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a list of words and their respective synonyms. Synonyms, as you would know, are words that mean the same or have a similar meaning to each other. So let's start with the word abate. It has a synonym of less intense. Example, the storm suddenly abated, thus making it less dangerous. Ascend, which has a similar meaning of escalate. The politician ascended to new heights because of his popularity. Abundant, same as plentiful. There was abundant supply of water to last them for the next 3 days. Abolish, meaning scrap. Finish it, scrap it. The high tax was abolished, much to the relief of the people. Acumen, meaning deep awareness. He has a good acumen for running a business. Accord, meaning agreement. They reached an accord after much deliberation. Deliberation means detailed discussion. Accrue means accumulate. He was able to accrue high profit from the business. Adamant, meaning stubborn. The Prime Minister is adamant that he will not resign. Adversity, meaning a difficult situation. They managed to succeed even in the face of adversity. If you find this video useful, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.